Hey gang, so this is a Stewart platform. It's actually two Stewart platforms. No, it's four Stewart platforms. So it's six linkages, six of these linkages, and on the bottom end here, these have been converted into sensors. The motors have been cut out, and the white wire is sending the angle of this motor out. So when I move these shafts by waving the stick around, it sends the signal into the Arduino through this custom PCB and then out to these motors, which then drive this platform to match this motion. So whether I'm moving sideways or up and down or twisting or bending, heave, pitch, yaw, roll, it's all there. That's 6 degrees of freedom. And we've got two of them going here. The idea being that, well, let's say in robotic surgery, you'd have a tool on the end of these two pieces, and then you'd have some kind of a barrier here to protect the patient from the germ-covered doctor, and then you could do your operation in your street clothes. Or this machine can be dialed down so that it's smaller than this one, and you filter the vibrations of a shaky doctor's hand, and then you can do really precise surgical operations, which is how they operate right inside the eye. So right through the opening of the eye. Very exciting and thrilling stuff. Also, large versions of this machine are seen under flight simulators. So you have the whole cockpit shaking that simulates an airplane, and this is what's underneath. And hopefully one day, with enough investment funding from someone amazing who's watching this, maybe we'll build this big enough, you know, this size, and then hook it up to your VR headset, and then you can really play your racing games. So if that seems like something you'd want to do, Marginally Clever, my company, is totally down for that. What else can I tell you? Well, these are popular enough that these two have actually already sold, so I have to make more. And see, we're printing away here. We're going to start this one up in a minute. And the idea here is that we're gonna put some grippy claws on here, and this is going to be modified so there'll be a trigger action that opens and closes the claw. And then in the center here, we're going to have a thing that you can do, and that's what we're going to bring to the New York Maker Faire in 2018. That's September something or other. I've forgotten the date. I'll put it in the comments below. If you think of other reasons you'd want to make this, or if you're interested in getting the PCB here so that you can do it yourself, let me know, again, in the comments, and we'll see about making that happen. Oh, and follow me on Instagram to see the up-to-date daily stuff where I'm making robots all the time and doing weird things. Lifestyle of robotics. Yeah, something like that. Later.